Stick around to the end to find out exactly how much this repair could cost you. Alright folks, if you drive a Mazda, especially a CX-5, CX-9, or Mazda 6 with the 2.5 turbo engine, this is for you. You might think your car is running perfectly fine, no warning lights, no puddles on the driveway, but that's what makes this problem so sneaky. Sometimes, the only clue is a slow drop in your coolant level, or maybe a faint sweet smell coming from under the hood. You might not even notice until your engine starts to overheat, or you spot a little crusty residue near the turbo or exhaust. This issue affects certain 2016 to 2020 Mazdas with the SKYACTIV-G 2.5T engine. Mazda has a customer service program, CSP-11, just for this. It's not a recall but a special warranty extension. If you see coolant leaking around the cylinder head, right by the exhaust manifold, Mazda will cover the fix for up to 10 years or 120,000 miles. That's a huge relief for owners, especially if your car is out of warranty. But how do you know if you've got this problem? Look for these signs: coolant level dropping, a sweet smell, engine overheating, or visible coolant pooling under the hood. Sometimes you'll see crusty white or green deposits near the turbo or exhaust. That's a big red flag. If you ignore it, the leak can get worse. Coolant might mix with your oil, which can cause serious engine damage over time. In some cases, you might not see any obvious symptoms until it's too late. That's why regular checks are so important. Mazda's Technical Service Bulletin, TSB 0100223, explains that cracks can form near the exhaust manifold studs, letting coolant escape. If left unchecked, this can lead to overheating, engine misfires, or even a blown head gasket. Repairs can get expensive fast, so if you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait. Get your Mazda checked out right away. The good news, Mazda's CSP-11 program could save you thousands if you catch the problem early. Stay tuned, because next I'll break down exactly what the dealer does to fix it, and what it could cost if you're not covered. Now if you take your car to the dealer and they confirm the leak matches Mazda's criteria, here's what happens. They'll inspect the area, check for trouble codes, especially P111A, which means the engine's overheating, and look for coolant in the oil. If it checks out, they'll replace the cylinder head with a new one, slap on a revised exhaust gasket, and reuse some parts if they're still good. In really bad cases, Mazda might even approve a partial engine replacement. The best part? If your car qualifies, Mazda covers the whole thing under CSP-11. And if you already paid for this repair out of pocket, you might be able to get reimbursed. Just follow the instructions in the owner letter. So, how much would this cost if you're not covered? Labor alone is about 11 hours, and with parts, you're looking at anywhere from $2,500 to $4,000, depending on your model and location. That's why this warranty extension is such a big win for owners. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment if you've dealt with this issue, and subscribe for more straight answers on car problems. Catch you in the next one.